So I'm really inspired by this video that Tom Nash made. By the way, just to show you, like I'm legit watching it. I'm about to finish it, but I'm inspired to make this video. Um, and that is for all you people um, that are in the stock market or doing things that are making you money, especially when the money comes like quick. um, you need to like relax, because especially when I talk to friends or when I talk to people and I get them excited about the stock market and things like that, and they never heard of it, or they probably heard of it but they didn't know how to get involved and stuff like that, and then they start getting involved and then they start seeing like some gains and stuff like that. Like, that's exciting and everything, but it's true, unless you're gonna make this your job, because some people do. uh, you need to also live life. Like, you need to also create, you need to also do other things with your life and like relax, because it's true what Tom was saying about sometimes we obsess too much about numbers, or we obsess too much about, for example, like right now, one of the things that's happening, I don't know if you've been like living under a rock or whatever and not paying attention, but Bitcoin is going insane, right? And that may cause certain people that may be holding Bitcoin like, oh my God, like, I want to buy more. And the people that sold Bitcoin could be like, oh my God, why did I sell? And the people that have never heard of Bitcoin or have heard of it in the past are going like, oh yeah, I'm going to get in. And that happens with crypto. That happens with stocks. That happens with, I mean, with real estate, not that crazy. But even with real estate, it becomes a game of like, how many properties can I get? If you're like into Airbnbs, how many Airbnbs can I have? Like, it becomes an obsession. And even outside of that, if you're not even in none of those things, it becomes a consumer obsession, because then you want to collect things and buy things. you know I've been in that frenzy of just like buying stuff from Amazon, like over and over and over again, because I'm like, I need this and I need that and I need this. And like, it's a human trait, it's a very human thing of like obsess on certain things and getting that dopamine hit, you know. Um, even oh my God, I still have like issues, you know, in different way. I'm in no way, shape, or form perfect at all. I'm a human being just like y'all. Like, I'll have flaws too. I never, ever, 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 no matter if I'm 10 years, 20, 30, 50 years down this road in this journey, still making YouTube videos as an old person. I never want you guys to think that I am perfect, because I'm not. I'm a human. Um, and, we make mistakes all the time. It's just a matter of improving. We always know we're going to improve and we're going to be better. And yeah, and I've been caught up on that, on just obsessing about gains. Like, in 2020, this past year, my portfolio did insane things, crazy things. Like, it made me even more of a believer of like, oh my God, I'm doing things right. But also, I have to know that the things that are happening right now are not typical. We're not living in a quote unquote regular life right now. Like, a pandemic is happening. Like, things are happening, So you have to be careful. You have to be careful if you get caught in obsession. It's okay to obsess for a while, like everything, If you meet a guy or girl, whatever, and you like that person, you get that NRE, that new relationship energy, uh, you can obsess with that for a while. But there's going to come a time that it's going to fade out. And same thing with, and when it comes to money, for some reason, not for some reason, I understand why, but um, when we start to see like our what we picked, go right, it's kind of like that Vegas or that even horse racing feel of like, oh my god, I'm up, I want to be more up, I want to get more, and then you start seeing other people's hands, because in a poker table you're not supposed to see other people's hands, but in this stock market world and even crypto and other things, you can watch YouTube and get obsessed by what other people are making. You can watch some of your friends maybe be obsessed, your neighbor, whatever it is, and we get caught up on that comparison thing, and that's like a life thing of like we just get caught up on this stuff, and yeah, we need to chill, man. That's why vacations are great. That's why taking time off is amazing. And we live in a culture that we don't like, we see taking time off as like something weird or whatever, and it's like, take time off. Like, give yourself one day out of the week or one day at least out of the month that like you would literally just chill. You need to chill. Just chill. This has been a public service announcement. I got really inspired by what Tom was saying, and I've been caught up on that. And I know a lot of friends of mine have been caught up on that, and I just hope that this helps somebody out there. Anyhow, take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day.